my name is Jordan. I'm going to be making chocolate chip cookies. Before you begin baking, you need to set the oven to 350. I'm going to start with the dry ingredients first. Okay, so we have 2.5 cups of flour. Put it in the bowl. And then we have 1 heaping teaspoon of baking soda. And then we have 1/2 teaspoon of salt. First with the wet ingredients, we're going to be doing 1 stick of butter. That is in room temperature. There we go. Okay. And then we will be doing, okay, now wait. We mix it first, just the butter?
You can add the brown sugar in too.
Okay. So then we add the brown sugar, which is it's 2 cups. 2 cups of brown sugar. Okay. And I will mix it. Okay. Now I'm going to put the eggs in while it's still on. But make sure it's on low. And then I have 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. The chocolate chips and get
How much chocolate chip?
It is 1.5 cups of chocolate chips. Okay.
Hold your hand, hold it down, there you go. Give it like a little quick. Good.
You don't want to overmix it now that the flour's in. Okay. We made sure that all the chocolate chips were mixed in, so now the batter is ready. And this is a good tool for making sure that they're all even, because they scoop out the same amount and then you squeeze it and it puts it on the pan. So it works good when you're making cookies. And they should take around 10 to 11 minutes to cook. Okay, and it's good to put a timer on. So I'm going to do it on the microwave because the oven timer doesn't work. Timer. I'll do 10 minutes and then we can check on it. Wait, that's 1 minute.
Keep going. Here you go.
There we go. Okay. And yeah. Okay, these just came out of the oven. They took about 11 minutes. And for this tray, we put a bunch on the tray, so then we can put the tray in the freezer, and then they'll freeze in the shape, so then we can just cook them whenever we want. So you don't have to cook them all right now. Okay, and thanks for watching. Bye!